to 3 millimeters and not leave any froth. I'll show you later in the procedure how to make sure you do that without the laser also. This is a cuscut tooth. And as you know, cuscuds are usually embedded in bone pretty well, so I can actually feel the thickness of the bone is different here on this tooth, so I have a little more beveling to do. It's so nice to work with this laser. In the past, I'd be afraid to do any kind of procedure like that. Like this, I didn't like doing flaps, I didn't like doing sutures and perio packs, so I just never did this. But since I learned to do this with the laser, it makes it a lot easier and I enjoy it quite a bit more because it doesn't hurt the patient and it gets such great results. Okay, the right side is done. And we'll turn Susan over and do her left side. Then just tapping the bone away. You kind of feel it just kind of go away from the tip of your laser as you touch the bone. You can actually contact the bone in this procedure. It's not a problem. Making sure you don't keep it in one place for too long. And it feels to me like I'm just kind of painting the bone away here. And again, just a little trough right here, so I'm beveling it.